On a sunny morning, there was a little farm on a green hill. Farmer Tom lived on this farm. He loved his animals very much. One day, Farmer Tom said, "Today, I will count all my animals." He put on his big brown hat and walked outside. First, he saw one hen. "One hen," said Farmer Tom. The hen said, "Cluck, cluck." She was small and white. She liked to eat corn. "Can you say it was me?" "One hen." Next, Farmer Tom walked to the barn. He saw 2 cows. "1, 2 cows." The cows said, "Moo, moo." They were big and black and white. They liked to eat grass. "Let's count together. 1, 2. 2 cows." Then Farmer Tom went to the muddy yard. He saw 3 pigs. 1, 2, 3 pigs. The pigs were pink and happy. They loved to play in the mud. They said, "Oink, oink." "Can you count?" 1, 2, 3. Near the fence, Farmer Tom saw 4 sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4 sheep. The sheep were white and fluffy. They said, "Baa, baa." They liked to eat grass and run together. "Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the big field, Farmer Tom saw 5 horses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 horses. The horses were strong and fast. They said, "Neigh." They liked to run in the sunshine. "Can you count to 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Near the small pond, there were 6 ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ducks. They were yellow and cute. They said, "Quack, quack." They loved to swim in the water. "Let's count to 6 together." Suddenly, Farmer Tom heard tiny sounds. Cheep, cheep. He saw 7 little chicks near the hen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chicks. They were very small and very soft. Behind the red barn, there were 8 goats. They liked to jump and climb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 goats. They said, "Ma, ma." Next to the big tree, Farmer Tom saw 9 turkeys. They were brown and funny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They made a funny sound. Gobble, gobble. At the end of the farm, in the green garden, Farmer Tom saw 10 white rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 rabbits. They hopped and hopped. They were soft and fast. Farmer Tom smiled. "I have 1 hen, 2 cows, 3 pigs, and 4 sheep.